Hi everyone, I'm here with Eileen Hull and she has a fantastic 3-minute card making hack for you. Card making, paper crafting, scrapbooking, whatever you're into, using your embossing folders. So what are you going to show us with this fantastic new 3D embossing folder?
What I want to show is, because this is such an intricate folder, this is some lace that I had and Sizzix designed a folder for me, but it's got a lot of pattern to it, and so when you are running this through your machine, I would recommend that you use the extended cutting pad and the extended platform so that you can kind of get a little running start with it and roll it through. So let's go ahead.
Yeah, need a bit of a run up. Get over that.
Yeah, a little head start. So I'm just going to spray this down a little.
And do you always spray your cardstock when you're embossing?
Yeah, just to kind of wet those fibers down and help them move a little bit. So
I've seen other people do it, so I just didn't know if there was a particular time or material, or it's just all the time.
I just use it because I feel like it helps the fibers to, you know,
be more flexible?
Yes, thank you. More flexible.
I thought that's where you were going with
that. That is where I was going. So what I'm doing is I'm using this long platform and I'm just going to roll that through. Okay, let's take a look.
Look at that. That is stuck. That looks like real lace.
Well, it was.
It was?
It is. It exists. It's in my house.
That's
so
amazing.
What I want to show you now is how much this luster wax is really going to add. And I'm just using a little piece of...
okay.
And this is a shoe polishing sponge from my hotel. So
I have to say, luster wax, the Sizzix Luster Wax is my favourite wax.
Beautiful, yeah.
I'm so excited to see what this does to this embossed image.
Yeah, it's just going to pop it up.
Okay.
It's a little piece of mat board in there. Okay, let's drag it down.
Okay, so just nice and smooth. Oh, it's just picking up the surface
right,
there.
It's just going to get the top. So wouldn't this be beautiful for
and it's
wedding?
going so much longer than I've got so much.
I know. Now I would probably refresh this because when you do, you're going to get like a more of a glossy and shiny. So let's do that over on this side, and you'll see the difference. Yeah, see how shiny that is?
Yes, it's thicker.
Yeah,
and it's more solid gold.
Right.
Beautiful.
I mean, a wedding invitation, a thank you note, an anniversary, beautiful on cards.
So pretty. I'm just going to hold that up a bit more to the camera and at different angles so you can see. That is just beautiful. I'm trying that with my embossing straight away. Thank you so much for showing us that quick tip, and also misting with the water as well, and to know that I can do that anytime to get this beautiful deep emboss. I'll just show the reverse. It's
pretty on that side too.
It's stunning. So if you like tips like this, don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel, and we do have a full playlist with lots of videos, and you'll find that just here. Take care, everybody. See you soon.